on Koali Pops, we are creating a Donkey Kong cake to celebrate his appearance in the Super Mario Bros. Movie. Donkey Kong is one of my favorite Nintendo characters because as a kid, I was in love with Donkey Kong Country. Now, I'm still on the fence about Seth Rogen's performance as the character, but I do hope that Nintendo's next animated film revolves around Donkey and Diddy Kong. You know, if that's the case, then we would be exploring a lush jungle while being shot out of exploding barrels. I mean, that would sell a lot of tickets. Crafting this cake was difficult, but carving animated characters out of buttercream is still a lot easier than having to recreate a live person. Now, I'm curious, what Nintendo character would you like to see next in a movie? Let me know in the comments and follow for more.